I'm Blair Gilbert, here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores to show you how to remove a rusted old screw on a receptacle when even PB Blaster doesn't loosen it up. We have found that this works the best for us at the hardware. We have the lower screw frozen. Tried removing it, it just won't go. So the secret here is to drill a small hole down the center of the screw till the head pops off. Then maybe there'll be enough left over, we can grab it with a pair of vice grips and remove it. There, now that's a drill bit. So once we have a good dent in there, in the center of the screw, as soon as we hit the body of the screw, that head will spin right off and we'll be able to remove that receptacle. There. See, the head's off. Got the device out of the way. There's a little bit of a stud left. Let's see if we can break it free with a pair of vice grips. So we needed to get the head off, get the device out of the way so there was enough stud left that we could unscrew the screw. Now the PB Blaster was probably working the whole time. So there it is. Rusted screw, can't get free, drill the head off, deal with the body after you can get to the body of the screw. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.